again. Here's question 18 from the 2014 exam. For each of the following scenarios, state whether or not x describes a discrete random variable. Circle your choice. Okay, so we don't have to do any working, no need to justify your answer, just circle the ones we think is yes or no, it's a discrete random variable. Okay, be careful with this type of question. X describes okay, we've got three things going on here. Is it discrete? Is it random? Is it a variable? Three things it has to be for us to say yes. Okay, the first one. X is the number of hearts in a standard pack of cards. In a standard pack of cards there are 13 hearts. And in a standard pack that doesn't vary. Well, it's not a variable then. Just kind of, I mean, we're used to picking out hearts from packs of cards, so you perhaps would think of it, you know, you pick out 5 cards, you know, you can get various, you can get 0, 1, you know, and all that stuff, numbers of hearts of them, but when our X is the number of hearts in a standard pack, that's 13, and it's always 13. So this is not a variable, so it's definitely not a discrete random variable. Okay. B. X is the number rolled on a single roll of standard dice. Well, you roll a dice. There's definitely something random going on here, and you can get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So it is discrete because it has to be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, and it is variable. It seems to satisfy all the conditions. It's discrete, random and variable. C is the number of times a 6 is rolled after 20 rolls of standard dice. Okay, well, it is discrete because you can get that 6 either 0 times, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 20 times if you do it 20 times, so it's definitely discrete. Random, yep, that's a random activity, and it is variable, so I think that one's a yes as well. And the last one, X is the amount of time the particular student is late to an exam. That's not discrete, because time is a continuous variable. It doesn't have to be either 1 second or 2 seconds or 1 minute or 2 minutes. It can be anything along the way. That's a continuous variable, so it doesn't satisfy the discrete part of things this time. So that's definitely not. Okay, kind of tough these questions can be because they're making sure you're really, really clear about what these random variables mean. Okay, that's that.